Hey, my loves, it's me. So, welcome to my kitchen today, where we're going to be doing a little quick country style pork ribs, honey. We used to have these all the time when we were growing up or younger, because they were the way to get the taste of ribs, but they were a little bit cheaper. Nowadays, I don't know what's cheaper. I paid $17 for these, and it's only 2.5 pounds. So these are pretty expensive now, but I think they're still cheaper than ribs. So I'm gonna get these down in some vinegar water, let them sit for a while, then I'm gonna come back and rinse that off, and then dry them off and ready to get these seasonings on this. This is gonna be a very simplistic meal. Not a lot in seasonings, just not a whole lot. Gonna be simple. I've got some paprika here. This is hot paprika, a little bit different from just regular paprika because it does have a little bit of a taste. So it adds more than color to your dish. Getting some salt on these, and as I said, we're gonna be real simple with how we're preparing these, and gonna get a big taste with just a little bit of simple ingredients. So now I've already covered these in the spices, and I rubbed them in the best I could. And I've got an aluminum pan here, and I put just a little bit of oil down in the pan, and I'm just getting these straight into the oven. This oven is preheated at 350 degrees. I'm gonna let them bake, or I did let them bake, about 45 minutes. Now your oven may be different, so you're looking for this look. You want it to be browned and make sure that they're done. So I'm just taking it out. See, there's not a lot of fat or oil or grease in that pan because there wasn't much fat on the meat itself. I am just using this knife to sort of scrape off. You know, the meat was cold. It's cool when I started. So a little bit of gray stuff come out. It's kind of icky. So I'm just using that knife to just sort of trim that off, and if there is any fat, to sort of just take that off because it's so tender. So all I do is just this little black space here, and I'm taking that off. Just clean them up a little bit. You don't have to do that. Some people don't. I just want mine to be really, really pretty, and really, really where you're able to just eat the meat and not have to take anything else off. Now, we can start right here and eat these like this, just like they are. They're very delicious, very tender. But I'm gonna do just a little bit something else. I'm gonna put a little bit of barbecue sauce, or maybe a little barbecue mixed with hoisin sauce. I'm gonna put that on mine because it makes it good. Now let's go ahead and plate these bad boys up. Yeah, look at this. I put a little barbecue sauce on each one. I didn't even take time to run it back through the oven. You can if you want to, but I just put this little barbecue sauce on there. I got some greens. I've got some pinto beans that I just sort of put on this plate, and I made some rice. So I got some cornbread over there too. So I'm gonna be eating. We all gonna be eating in just a few minutes. Yeah. This is, look at that barbecue sauce. Glistening, nice, but there's not a whole lot in there. It's not like dipping it. Y'all do this. Make it. It's a little bit cheaper than ribs. It's really, really good. I want to thank you guys for coming by, checking on me today. You want to see what I was doing. Now, you knew that I would be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. Guys, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. Those of you that are already subscribed, if you're not, please hit the red subscribe button and then hit the notification bell. Make sure there are parentheses around that bell. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and come on over there and check me out. I'm really just basically getting started, really still trying to get those channels moving. Give me a big thumbs up. They tell me this really helps in the algorithm to move me forward, to let me be seen in the recommendations, and that's what I need because I am trying to grow my channel, and I appreciate any help you all can give me. So go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Guys, hey, I want to appeal to you and asking you to be your best self and your best person. How do you do that? First, love yourself. Love yourself. If you love yourself, then you're able better to love those others that are in your life. Take care of yourself. Get a good check on your mental health. We all need that. Find a place of happiness in your life, and then that way you can give out happiness. Love somebody by sharing your food, honey. That's what I do. I come in here and put on these great recipes. I want you to do that same thing. Start by just sharing your food with someone. Show your love, honey, by sharing your food. Hey, I appreciate y'all. Thank you for coming by, and I'll see you next time when I put up another great video. Bye-bye.